Yeah, girl, I've been back for a while now. And there's something here that people are talking about that I have no understanding of. Everyone keeps talking about that we need this constitution and that we need it now. The last time I checked, we were already part of the United States, and the United States already has a constitution. Why do we need a constitution, and why do we need it now? You don't know either, huh? That's a joke.
Excuse me, I didn't mean to be in your business, but I overheard your conversation. Would you like me to give you some information on the Constitution?
You know? Finally, somebody who knows. Please tell me why we need a constitution and why we need it now.
Well, first thing first, the Constitution establishes the political, social, cultural, religious, and economic structure of a modern society. It also outlines the fundamental laws that establish government organizations, determines the roles and duties of segments of the government, and clarifies the relationships between the people and their government. The problems we face requires us to address the Constitution to fundamentally deal with our problems locally and bring all Virgin Islanders together for collective solutions.
Thank you very much. You are so knowledgeable on this subject. Thank you.
You're welcome. Glad to have answered your question. Hi, this is Andrea again, and I'm going to continue with the questions from the 5th Constitution. Hola, es Andrea de nuevo y voy a continuar con las preguntas de la 5ª Constitución.
So Andrea, maybe you can help me understand the Constitution Convention a little better. Tell me, why did President Obama and Congress reject the draft?
That's a great question. The 9 items listed in the letter sending back the draft Constitution identifies areas wherein the document failed to meet the constitutional standards and the mandates of Congress.
Thank you. I think I understand it a little better now.
Anytime, glad to help.
Good day, ma'am. I have a question and I'm sure that you could be able to answer my question. I would like to know, how were the delegates elected for the 5th Constitution?
In 2007, the territory held a special election based on Act 6688 and elected 30 convention delegates to draft and complete a Virgin Islands Constitution.
Thank you. I really needed to know that. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hi, I'm Carol Burke. I would like to share with you the 9 concerns that President Barack Obama and the Congress of the United States had with regards to the draft of the 5th Constitution for the Virgin Islands. Number 1, the absence of an express recognition of the United States sovereignty and the supremacy of federal law. Number 2, provisions for a special election on the USVI's territorial status. 3, provisions conferring legal advantages on certain groups defined by place and timing of birth, timing of residency, or ancestry. Number 4, residency requirements for certain offices. Number 5, provisions guaranteeing legislative representation of certain geographic areas. Number 6, provisions addressing territorial waters and marine resources. Number 7, imprecise language in certain provisions of the proposed Constitution's Bill of Rights. Number 8, the possible need to repeal certain federal laws if the proposed USVI Constitution is adopted. Number 9, the effect of congressional action or inaction on the proposed Constitution. This concludes our review of the concerns of President Barack Obama and the Congress regarding the submission of the draft for the 5th Constitution for the Virgin Islands. It is my hope it brings enlightenment and understanding as to why the document was not approved by the President. If you have further concerns, please feel free to contact the Office of Senate President Ronald Russell at 712-2300.